Wow, wow, wow. Listen up, everyone. Every single evening, the same drama. Husband slams the door open and shouts, "Did a bomb explode in the kitchen again?" Plates on the floor, milk spilled everywhere, kids crying, mother-in-law throwing shade. But tonight, everything flipped. Sana started one tiny 2-minute welcome home ritual. Door opens, lights on, kids shower him with confetti, the whole house turns rainbow. Hanya and Hamza scream, "Welcome home, Papa!" Sana gives him the click shoulder massage and whispers, "You must be so tired. Just 2 minutes of love." His anger vanished into thin air. He closed his eyes, smiled like a king, then warmed the food himself, washed the dishes, and said, "My queen, what magic did you cook today?" Mother-in-law's jaw dropped to the floor. 7 days later, she was crying happy tears and said, "Daughter, you're pure magic." This was wife number 2, Sana's epic love bomb. Want the full 35-minute emotional comedy roller coaster? Hit subscribe and bell right now, or tomorrow, wife number 3 will roast the mother-in-law and you'll miss it. 7 Days, 7 Wives, Episode 2. Go watch the full story.